Hi guys, this is just a quick video just to do a flip through of some painting books that I'm putting into my Etsy shop. I like to do a flip through just because you can only fit 10 pictures in Etsy, and if anyone's interested, I'd like them to see, you know, every page and any little imperfections in the book. Okay, so I've got 3 packs and there's 2 booklets in each. The first 2 books are Chinese painting. So this one is Easy Ways to Do Chinese Painting. There is there's a name on here, Nancy Little, and there is some marks. And because they're quite old, there's some scuffing around the edges. And some little, you know, dog-eared corners. Okay. I did make up some Oriental junk journal packs recently, and I was going to pull these apart for the packs, but I don't know, they're really beautiful books and I decided against it. Plus, because they show you stroke by stroke, I think it's maybe a book that, you know, if you did want to learn how to paint, you could sit there and do it. And excuse the mess you see on my desk. I had to zoom down a little because these books are quite big. See, look, isn't that beautiful? I'd love to be able to paint like that. Okay, I mean, you can still pull these apart if you want, but I didn't want to because they're so cute. Okay, so the next one is Chinese Painting 2. It's got Nancy Little again. And this one has some scuffing as well. And that's the back. So there's some markings. I love these. So gorgeous. See, all I was seeing was journal covers and journal front pages and stuff originally, but I just don't want to pull it apart. So it says, what is Chinese painting? Dragonfly. Sorry, the neighbours always decide to mow the lawn as soon as I put the camera on. Camellias. See, it's so pretty. Could even do cutouts. Ducklings and wisteria. Oh, I hope you can hear okay with that lawnmower. I did redo the video when they stopped mowing before, but as soon as I started, they started up again. So we'll see if you can hear okay. Okay, so that's the first. These will be in a pack together, these 2. Then the next 2 that'll be together are these 2. Paintings by the famous French artist Robert, I know I'll mess this up, Duflo, and How to Paint on China and Porcelain. Okay, so we'll do this one first. Yay, lawnmower's off. Look how they do the step by step. They make it look so easy. Maybe it is, I don't know. I always say I can't paint things like this, but I actually never try. That's so pretty. Okay, so that's that one. And how to paint on china and porcelain. This one does have some marker. Oh, and that's right. There's a little piece cut out of the cover on the back. Not sure why. And the front has a little chink missing here as well. But if you're just going to chop it up for junk journals, it doesn't matter anyway. See, these are so pretty. See, things like this you can just do cutouts. Bluebirds. These are pretty. Snow scene, mountain lake, out on the desert, landscape. Oop, I said this would be quick, didn't I? I've got to stop looking. Flip, flip. Okay. So those two will be in a pack. And the last pack will be these two. How to draw with pastels and how to do still life. Okay, we'll do this one first. Oops. Doggy. See, this is actually, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked again. This is interesting. See how they split it up into little areas, little segments. See, I wouldn't think to do that. I just would do a whole outline. See, that's awesome. From that to that. I love that one. And there's a little teeny tiny tear mark there. Okay, that's that one. And how to do still life. So even these would be great little journal cards. Like even the half-drawn ones. Oh, I say that, but I really don't want it chopped up. I love this one. It's all like smudgy between each image, the way it's painted. I don't know if you can see it, but so gorgeous. Using this, look at that background. Okay, so those two will be in a pack. Those two will be in a pack. And those two together. But if you do get multiple items in my shop, usually the postage works out fine, even if you purchase multiple individual items. But if it ever looks wrong or looks too much, or there's something blatant, like if you wanted two of these that can be combined, just feel free to message me. But if you do want to query postage, make sure you message me through Etsy before you actually purchase, because once the purchase has gone through, I don't want to muck around with refunding postage costs. So usually it works out quite okay. I think I've got the postage right now, but if it ever looks wrong, yeah, message me before you purchase, please. Anyway, those will be in my little Etsy shop shortly after this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.